This is an unboxing of a Celestron C90 Maksutov-Cassegrain telescope. I did a lot of research and I wanted something that will not be a dust collector. I had telescopes in the past and I've seen others also have telescopes. And the telescopes usually end up being not used because they're so cumbersome, especially the tube and the mounting of them. That makes them difficult to use, to carry, to take wherever you want to go. In Britain, we can. So something that we can use is the best telescope. If it is a dust collector, it's not a good telescope. So I have bought this telescope for £165. And I didn't order it online or anything. I just went to the retailer, I looked at it and I bought it. That's it. And now I'm going to unbox it. Okay, this is the telescope and I'm going to the box of the telescope and I'm going to open it. Okay, it looks well packed and inside the box, oh, there is another box inside. So let us look. This is a Celestron C90 MAK, which is standing for Maksutov, spotting the scope as they call it. This is one of the most versatile telescopes you can have. A telescope that is versatile means you can just put it in a bag, take it away with you, or put it in the car, go to a dark side, or a park or somewhere, or allotment. Set it up, watch, then come. Even you can do it from the comfort of your home. You know, sitting in the living room. We usually don't have much space, unlike what it was in the past. So you can sit in the warmth of your home and just look through the double glazed window. that's what the purpose. And I liked it especially because I saw several videos, and those videos showed me that actually the optical quality of the telescope was really good. The optical quality of the telescope was very good. We could easily see the diffraction patterns on the source, light source, like a star, like Sirius. And also I liked it because this angle of the erect image diagonal, which makes it actually, you can see the images upright instead of the upside down with the normal astronomical telescope, is at an angle that is not 90 degrees, so you actually are more comfortable looking at that. I have worked with other ones, there was 90-degree ones. It's not very easy. This is more ergonomic to see. So the well-packed telescope, the box, inside the box, and now let's go to see what is inside. Okay, now this is the box. I've removed the outer box from the actual box, and it's like a shoebox, large shoebox, and all the specifications is written here. Ideal, para observer. Oh no, that's not in English. I will go in the English version. Yeah, the English version is written perfect for outdoor and land and wildlife observation as well as celestial viewings. Multi-coated optics, which is very important. Maksutov-Cassegrain makes it very short, although it is 3 times folded on itself to make this size. Is about 30 centimeter. So that means practically you have a tube which is folded. Originally it was 90 centimeter, around 1 meter, and now it is only 1 foot or 30 centimeter. That makes it really compact. It has a T adapter thread. It has a 32 millimeter eyepiece, 45 degrees erect image diagonal. So the image you can get with this is really good. It's good for watching the planets and the moons and the moons of them, if you want, for example, Jupiter moons, the Saturn, rings of Saturn, and for the Uranus and Neptune, probably even you can spot it. But Jupiter, moon also, and very good. It has a lifetime warranty also, and is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but is water resistant. So, and let's just see what is inside it. Okay, I've turned the telescope box, and I can see there is a bag here also. What is that? Also includes water resistant backpack. Oh, it has a backpack. So let me open this. Oh, I'm getting excited now. It's really versatile. Okay, now I have opened the box. Oh, look at this beautiful backpack. This really good sized backpack. Everything comes in this bag. It's black colored, looks good quality, and I have to use both hands to lift it from inside the box. Oh, I must say I didn't expect it. This one, this is really good. It's a backpack. It has a proper straps. You can put it on your shoulder, carry it to the field, and then wherever you want, you can just set it up. Let me see. Oh, look. Lovely. What is this? This is a brochure for it. Maksutov telescope. Okay, that's a brochure. Then there is a bubble wrap, something inside. So I have to take it out. Okay. Oh, I think that's the main telescope, which I will open in a minute. But I feel that there is something heavy in this also yet remained. Let me open it. Oh, it has compartments. If the light lets you see, there's one compartment here. Bigger compartment here is for the actual telescope itself. Tube assembly. And this is what comes inside it. This is lovely bag. Lovely, lovely. Like a camera bag. It's properly padded. So this is another packaging inside it, bubble wrapped. I must say I'm really impressed with the quality. It's a gift box, and the rest of it here. Oh, I can see from outside here there is a lens cleaner. And what is the rest of it? Let me see. Okay, I have now removed the sellotape, and you can see what is inside. Ooh, okay. This is like a bag actually. Okay, oh, I can see it's really sturdy, heavy eyepiece. Oh, I like that. That's one of these good eyepieces. It's heavy, it has a chunk and weight. Oh, that's the spotting scope. And oh, it has a T bracket also. You can put it in the dovetail bracket. And what is this? Oh, that's the diagonal, image erect diagonal. That's also something impressive. Now I've seen this, let me go for the actual telescope. Of course I told that it has also lens cleaner. It's made of the satin. I mean, it feels like satin, but probably is micro fiber. Okay, now this is the time for the actual telescope itself. I've already removed the thing. And now it's well packed with the bubble wrap. Let me burst one of these. Oh, I cannot burst it. Oh, good quality. Doesn't burst easy. It gives a good protection. This is a tube assembly, which is with a elastic band. Elastic bands in the UK are now rare. You don't see them in the shops anymore. Don't know what's wrong. We don't have any elastic band in shops. Okay, now I am going to open the packaging of this. So I take it from here, hoping that, oh, the plastic came out. There is another second wrapping here, which is sellotaped around the telescope. And, oh, the wrapping came off. Protective paper, just very soft paper, like Japanese paper, to give the scratch-free delivery. And this is the beauty. Oh, it's chunky. I can feel it's at least 2 kilos, I think. Oh, I'm really impressed. And the first thing comes first is the warning. Do not use this telescope to look at the sun. This is the spotting scope or viewfinder mount, and this is the actual tube of the telescope. And the front of it, there's a lens cap, which I'm opening it now. Oh, look at this quality inside. It's amazing. I like that. There's a coated optics. Beauty. You can see my camera. If I want to put the cap back, even I can do it with one hand. You cannot do that with a big telescope, believe me. This is a telescope that hopefully we will use a lot. This telescope has a F number, that is the focal. The focal length of this is 1250 millimeters, and the diameter of the main mirror, concave mirror, is 90 millimeter, 9 centimeter. So made in China. It's a Celestron, is an American company, but everybody now makes in China. I have seen videos, and I know that for as a fact, that the American version of it had a really bad reputation for being, different. They didn't have the quality control, proper quality control, and one telescope from this one to the next telescope that your friend may have bought it, where the quality was so different, the image quality and everything. Now they have done it in China. Strict quality control in China has made sure that this telescope comes with a standard, high standard that we expect. And of course Celestron is an old hand. This telescope has been since 1970s in the market. And of course this model of it, this version of it, is a little longer than the original. Original was this amount. You had to turn, and the original was shorter, and you have to actually, if you want to try to focus it, you have to use the actual body, the tube of the telescope, to adjust the magnification and the rate of it. And with this one you can actually do it with this. So all in all, for 165 pounds, I got this telescope. It's a small size. It means I can take it everywhere. It's not very expensive, so I have not to spend a lot of money on this. So if I don't use it, I've not lost much compared to 2,000 pounds for a telescope. And I'm sure that I will be able to use it, to be able to take it everywhere with me. Another thing is that it's quite small. And the only thing is that, okay, I have to buy a mount. I have to provide it, install it on a mount. You can use a camera mount if you have. Anything that can take up to 2 kilograms or 2.2 kilograms will be suitable for this. And other than that, that's it. It's complete. I like this diagonal. I open them actually. Okay, this is the viewfinder. This is the eyepiece. I must say that I'm really impressed. The higher the number of the millimeter of the eyepiece is, it means that it has a larger view. Pluscell is a very good brand. It's a arrangement of the lens. 4 lenses at least are arranged in a way that give a very clear image from edge to edge. No aberration and no distortion in the image. And 32 centimeter is a good wide angle relatively. I can get a super Pluscell, which is gives me around 40 millimeter of the angle, 40 millimeter of the viewing angle. That means also it's comfortable to look if you wear glasses. I don't wear, but if you wear that, that helps you. So it is easier to use it, but it brings eye comfort when you don't need to poke the eyepiece as if into your eye to get too close to it. So this is a good eyepiece. It's quite chunky and heavy. Also, this is the actual diagonal, erect image diagonal. The good thing is that you can use this telescope for viewing the terrestrial subjects, birds and buildings and faraway things, and studying this, things in this sky or the earth, and the image will be upright. Now I'm now going to assemble this and just show you the final assembly. Okay, I've now assembled the mount and the eyepiece and the diagonal, and I must say I'm really impressed with the sturdiness and the chunkiness of this and the ease of movement of it. I had seen at the other telescopes, Maksutov and other things. I tested them in the shop and I was trying to come across the ideal telescope. And I found that this one was really best in the way of being chunky and at the same time ability to manage it without much effort in the dark and carrying it. So now the spotter scope, I have to put it. I will do it now. Okay, I must say that I'm really impressed with the ease of assembly of this. It just took me less than 5 minutes to assemble all this. Now the spotting scope has gone into here. It's a simple dovetail assembly. You just loosen up this screw and then slide the spotoscope. And it has also this bracket at the bottom, which can go to the mount. I will show you the mount later. I have a mount for this proper mount, and I'm really impressed with the quality of this. I can't hold it in my, you cannot say with many telescopes that, but I can hold this 90mm main mirror telescope in one hand, easy. And the good thing is that immediately I can put it in the back, easy as that. That's it, done, in the bag, ready to go. You cannot say that about any other telescope. That's not easy. Yeah, the telescopes entered the 21st century. This system works without wireless, completely wireless. Just uses the Wi-Fi to move. And if I attach a camera to the telescope, I can just take pictures from my mobile. That's amazing. Welcome to the 21st century. Finally.